The Ion Endoluminal System, developed by Intuitive Surgical, is a robotic-assisted platform engineered for minimally invasive bronchoscopic lung biopsies. It is designed specifically to access and sample small peripheral pulmonary nodules that are challenging to reach with conventional bronchoscopic techniques. The system addresses critical clinical needs for precision, stability, and high diagnostic accuracy in navigating the complex architecture of the bronchial tree for early-stage lung cancer detection. The Ion system is built around a flexible robotic catheter, with a 3.5 mm outer diameter and an integrated ultra-thin vision probe measuring 1.8 mm. The catheter incorporates an articulated, segmented mechanical structure capable of multi-directional steering with a 180-degree articulation range. Embedded fiber optic shape sensing technology allows for real-time, three-dimensional mapping of the catheter's configuration as it advances through airway branches. This shape sensing is achieved through an array of optical fibers embedded along the catheter, measuring strain and curvature to reconstruct spatial positioning with high fidelity. Piezoelectric micromotors drive the steering and advancement mechanisms, providing micron-level precision and the ability to maintain stability even during biopsy tool deployment. Each motorized segment is equipped with localized sensors that monitor strain and tension, enabling closed-loop feedback control to ensure safe, accurate movements within delicate airway structures. The system dynamically adjusts actuation forces based on real-time feedback to prevent excessive pressure on bronchial walls, reducing the risk of mucosal injury. Trajectory planning algorithms integrate real-time catheter shape data with preoperative CT-derived airway maps to optimize pathfinding, employing inverse kinematics and predictive modeling to minimize deviation and maintain positional accuracy. Unlike electromagnetic navigation bronchoscopy NB systems, Ion does not rely on external electromagnetic fields, eliminating the risk of interference and enhancing reliability in diverse clinical settings. Real-time positional updates are overlaid onto preoperative CT-derived airway maps, enabling continuous navigation guidance through both axial and coronal imaging planes. Redundancy is engineered into critical subsystems. If a sensor or actuator experiences failure, backup systems and software-based recovery protocols maintain safe operation and guide the catheter to a controlled withdrawal. The biopsy tool deployment mechanism is integrated into the catheter system, allowing for stable insertion of biopsy forceps, cytology brushes, and flexible needles through a dedicated 2.0 mm working channel. Once the target lesion is reached, the catheter locks in place using mechanical stabilizers to resist tool-induced movement, providing a rigid platform for precise tool advancement. Joystick-based controllers translate operator hand movements into catheter and tool motion, with fine-scale motion algorithms applying filtering to reduce tremor and enhance precision. Tactile feedback is simulated through resistance modulation at the controller interface, providing intuitive confirmation of tool advancement and tissue engagement. Visualization capabilities are a core strength of the Ion system. A high-definition 1080p camera mounted at the catheter tip delivers clear imaging of the bronchial anatomy, with adjustable LED illumination optimizing mucosal detail. Integration with external imaging modalities such as fluoroscopy, radial endobronchial ultrasound, or REBUS, a cone beam, CT enhances localization and verification, with synchronization protocols maintaining consistent spatial orientation across platforms. Additionally, 3D rendering of airway structures derived from CT segmentation augments the live video feed, facilitating accurate trajectory planning and lesion targeting. Clinical performance data highlights the effectiveness of the Ion system. In the multicenter ION-1 trial, a diagnostic yield of 81.7% was achieved for peripheral pulmonary nodules under 2 cm in diameter, with no pneumothorax events reported across more than 200 patients. The system's ability to sample multiple nodules within a single session under general anesthesia supports high procedural throughput and reduces patient risk. Compared to traditional approaches, Ion offers a minimally invasive method with superior stability and precision. The Ion platform's engineering extends to its operational footprint. The mobile base unit features a compact, modular design with articulating arms for the catheter, display monitors, and accessory tools. Integration with hospital systems is achieved via DICOM protocol support, allowing seamless data management and procedural documentation. Automated setup routines based on pre-planned navigation pathways reduce room turnover time, while an onboard user guidance system facilitates operator training and institutional adoption. The system's power management architecture employs distributed regulation modules that optimize energy efficiency for the motors, imaging systems, and computing components, ensuring thermal stability and reducing downtime. From an economic perspective, the Ion system requires a capital investment of approximately $500,000 to $600,000, with per-procedure disposable costs ranging between $1,000 and $1,500. Despite these costs, reductions in complication rates, fewer repeat procedures, and shorter hospital stays contribute to favorable cost-effectiveness analyses, particularly in higher-risk patient populations. Safety outcomes further reinforce the system's value proposition. The incidence of complications such as pneumothorax and significant bleeding is substantially lower compared to transthoracic needle aspiration, owing to Ion's robotic stability, real-time feedback controls, and precision targeting. In the event of navigation anomalies, the system's built-in fault tolerance protocols safely halt motion and alert the operator, ensuring patient protection at every stage. In conclusion, the Ion Endoluminal System exemplifies a sophisticated fusion of advanced mechanical design, real-time control systems, high-fidelity imaging, and ergonomic operator interfaces. Its engineering principles of redundancy, feedback-driven precision, and energy-optimized design directly address the most challenging aspects of peripheral lung nodule biopsy. As the system continues to evolve, opportunities for integration with artificial intelligence, autonomous navigation algorithms, and haptic feedback enhancement are poised to further advance its clinical impact and operational excellence.